This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need: a verified Windows 10 ISO and an 8 GB or larger USB drive. Once done, choose a tool, Rufus for flexibility or media creation tool for Microsoft defaults, and install it. Make sure you back up any USB data because you'll format the drive. Confirm your target PC uses BIOS or UEFI because that affects partition scheme. With files ready and tool installed, you're set to create a bootable device. Proceed to write the image carefully. Now you perform the image write. Open Rufus or the Media Creation tool and select the Windows 10 ISO. Choose Partition Scheme, GPT for UEFI or MBR for Legacy BIOS, and set File System to FAT32 for UEFI boot or NTFS if the ISO has files over 4 GB. Click Start and accept any prompts to download additional files or switch modes. Monitor progress. It takes several minutes. When complete, safely eject the USB. You will need to adjust boot order on the target PC next. Boot the target machine from the USB using the BIOS or UEFI boot menu, often F12, ESC, or Dell. In the Windows installer, choose Language, Accept License, then select Custom Install to create or format partitions. Install on your chosen partition. After installation, remove the USB and let the system restart to finish setup. If the PC won't boot from the USB, make sure USB boot is enabled, secure boot disabled if necessary, and confirm the partition scheme matches firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.